Noticing that some lip fillers end up looking unnatural above the lip line? Here's what you need to know about filler migration and keeping lips looking flawless. Take a look here at Hailey Bieber. You can see there's some volume above her upper lip, which appears to have migrated beyond the natural lip line or vermilion border. But how can we prevent this? Lip filler migration often happens when too much filler is placed in the lip area. The lips are actually a closed compartment, so when we add filler, we're expanding that space. But if we add too much, the compartment can't contain it all, and the filler may start to spread beyond the lip's natural border. This is why, if you have smaller lips, you're generally at a higher risk for filler migration. There's simply less room in your natural lip structure compared to someone with larger lips. Over time, continuing to add filler won't make the lips endlessly fuller. Instead, it can lead to filler to spread beyond the natural lip line, giving an overfilled look where the lips extend beyond their natural borders. Understanding this concept is crucial. Many people think that adding more filler will keep enhancing their lips. Especially with smaller lips, it can lead to migration. Now, some people may be okay with a bit of migration for a fuller look. But if your goal is a completely natural effect, remember that there's a limit to how much filler each lip can comfortably hold. And if you're dealing with filler migration right now, don't worry, it's an easy fix. Hyaluronidase can dissolve the migrated filler in just a few minutes.